Hey everyone, fishing a new spot today. We're fishing at Gulpa Creek in Mathoura. It's about 20 minutes south of Deniliquin. The Edward River is flooded again, and luckily lockdown is over, otherwise there'd be no fishing at all. It is a very windy afternoon, so yeah, it's going to be tough going, but I've got bread, worms, corn. Not exactly sure what we'll catch in here, but we're going to give it a go. So just a bit of a view. Coming down the creek, and this is going downstream. It's a nice little spot, bit sheltered from the wind, so it's not real bad considering how strong the wind is today, but yeah, nice spot. I've gotten a couple small bites here on the rod on the right. It's got the worms and the bread on it. Couple small tugs, so hopefully he comes back and takes it. Oh, we hooked into something. He hit it pretty good too. Carp. Good sized fish too. Yeah, so we got a nice big fat one. First fish caught at Gulpa Creek. That's alright. So he's 62 centimeters and he's fat. So yeah, on the board. Good job. Okay, so we're on the board. So we caught that good sized carp off worms. Gotten a couple bites. It's been pretty slow, but it's been tough too with the wind, knowing if getting a bite or not. But only been fishing for about an hour, so got a couple more. We'll see if we can catch something else. Well, at least with the wind moving the clouds around, the sky is pretty. As you can see with the treetops, it's still blowing pretty good here, and it's made the afternoon pretty tough. So 2 hours in, still only the one big carp. So it was a tough day fishing. It's very windy, tough conditions, but looking at the weather forecast, it's going to be like this for the next couple weeks, so I'm just going to have to get used to it. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. It'd be much appreciated. Managed to catch my first fish out of Gulpa Creek. That was fantastic. Good sized carp. Definitely come down here again. So until next time, keep fishing.